releases endorphins. Endorphins make people happy. Happy people don't just shoot their husbands. They just don't. Today we're going to talk about endorphins, and it's worth noting that there are several types of endorphins. They are a large group of peptides. This is just one example to show to you today. And Legally Blonde was exactly right. Endorphins are released during exercise. In fact, they're released in response to any sort of pain or stress. They're also released when we eat or are involved in any sort of sexual activity, and they maximize the sensation of pleasure while minimizing the sensation of pain. Endorphin levels surge during pregnancy, and many scientists believe that early humans would release endorphins when they were in social groups together. This was beneficial for our survival because in a group you are more likely to find food and fight off predators. Endorphins are a really important aspect of human health because they relieve stress and anxiety, lower depression, and raise self-esteem, which is why exercise is so good for you. Now, it's important to recognize that exercise doesn't have to be really intense CrossFit classes. Just walking for 20 minutes a day can raise your endorphin levels. In individuals with endorphin deficiency, the symptoms can include impulsive behavior, moodiness, depression, and aches and pains. There are instances where somebody might need to have their endorphin levels assessed by a medical professional and prescribe the appropriate treatment. But if you're a mostly healthy person looking to give their endorphin levels a boost, you can do things like eat some dark chocolate, have safe, consensual sex, create art, watch your favorite television show, or exercise, preferably in a group, because exercising in a group makes the effects of endorphins even stronger. Endorphins and dopamine are both peptides, which means made of protein. But endorphins are polypeptides made of many proteins, and dopamine is a monopeptide made of a single protein. Now, part of the pleasurable effect that endorphins have in the body is because of their release of dopamine from the brain. If you want to learn more about dopamine, check out our dopamine video. If there's a science topic you'd like to know more about, then comment below or reach out to us on social media. In the description of this video is some additional reading material because it's very important that you always do your own research and come to evidence-backed conclusions. If you're able to, please consider supporting us on Patreon, where you'll get to see these videos before anyone else and you'll get to see all the bloopers. Stay safe, be kind to each other, and remember, there's no room for shame when growing your brain.